सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। ॐ विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन्निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Hare Krishna, everybody. So we will continue with Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More, and we will be finishing that song today. Next class we will be learning Guru Puja, right? It's also called Guru Vandana by Narottam Das Thakur. So this song, Prabhu Daya Karo More, right? This song is also by Narottam Das Thakur only. Okay, let's begin. I'll just share this. So we finished first 3 paragraphs. So much we finished in the last class. Today we will be learning from 4th to 7th paragraph fully. Right? So here each paragraph has, we are alternating the tune, right? So this paragraph is sung at a lower pitch, and this paragraph is sung at a little higher pitch. This paragraph is sung at a lower pitch. This is sung at a little higher pitch. Again, lower, higher, lower, right? So this way we alternate the pitch here in this. Not only that, uh, the tune, otherwise the tune remains the same, right? It's just the pitch that is going high and low, high and low, high and low, right? So now we need to start with this, right? So we will sing, and then I'll just sing the first last 4 paragraphs which we are supposed to do for the day, and then we can one by one try this out. Hare Krishna. So 4th to 7th is what we will be singing today, and we will be finishing this song. दया करो सीतापति अद्वैता गोसाई तब कृपा भाले भाई चैतन्यानिताय दया करो सीतापते अद्वैता गोसाई तव कृपा भाले पाय चैतन्यानिताय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे तुम बिना के दयालु जगत संसारे गौर प्रेमा माया तनु पंडिता गदाधरा श्रीनिवास हरिदासा दयारसगरा माया तनु पंडिता गदाधरा श्रीनिवासा हरिदासा दयारसागरा आहा स्वरूप सनातना रूप रघुनाथा भट्ट जुगा श्रीजीवा प्रभु लोकनाथा हा हा स्वरूप सनातना रूप रघुनाथा भट्ट जुगा श्रीजीवा प्रभु लोकनाथा दया करो श्री आचार्य प्रभु श्रीनिवासा रामचंद्र संगा मागे नरोत्तम दासा दया करो श्री आचार्य प्रभु श्रीनिवासा रामचंद्र संगा मागे नरोत्तम दासा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे तुम बिना के दयालु जगत samsare. So this is how the later part of the song is, the last 4 paras. Who wants to try first? Who wants to go first? Yes, Prabhu?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, you can try, Prabhu.
Hare
Fourth,
Krishna.
yeah.
Hare Krishna. दया करो सीतापति अद्वैता हो साई दव कृपा बले बाई चैतन्य नीताई दया करो सीतापति अद्वैता हो साई दवा कृपा बले पाए चैतन्य निताय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दया करो मोरे तुम बिना की दयालु जग संसारी गौर प्रेमामया
Only one para, Prabhu. Only one para.
okay, okay,
Only the fourth para. Thank
okay,
you so
Mata.
much. Hari bol. Very nice. Yeah, so what does this paragraph mean? Right? So it is saying Daya karo Sita Pate Advaita Gosai. So Advaita Acharya's wife's name is what? Anybody knows?
Sita.
Yeah, Sita Thakurani. That's why it's called Sita Pate. And also Advaita Acharya is an incarnation of who? Whose incarnation? Sita is whose wife? Yes, Pravina Mataji.
Shiva and Vishnu both have heard, Mataji.
Yes.
Vishnu's as well.
Haribo, Sri Mahavishnu and Sada, right? So both Vishnu and Shiva's incarnation, combined form of Shiva and Vishnu together is Advaita Acharya, right? So, and his wife's name is Sita Thakurani. That's why it is said over here, Sita Pate Advaita Gosai, right? So here it is said, Tava Kripa Bale Pai Chaitanya Nitai. Without the mercy of Advaita Acharya, we cannot get Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's and Nityananda Prabhu's mercy, right? If you're kind to me, naturally Lord Chaitanya and Nityananda will also be kind to me. So it's all step by step, like I was saying from the beginning. Panchatattva's mercy is step by step. First, if you want Radharani's, I mean Krishna's mercy, you need Radharani's mercy. If you want Radharani's mercy, you need Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy. If you want Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, you need Nityananda Prabhu's mercy. If you want Nityananda Prabhu's mercy, you need Advaita Acharya's mercy. If you want Advaita Acharya's mercy, then the Jiva Tattva's mercy has to be there. That is, Jiva Tattva is Srivas, right? Srivas, five. We have five Panchatattvas, right? And Srivas is actually Narada Muni. And Thakur indicates or signifies the Jiva Tattva as we living entities, right? So a Vaishnava's mercy is needed, a devotee's mercy is needed. Only then we can even enter into Krishna consciousness, right? So that is very, very important. Okay, so these are the levels for seeking mercy, right? So that is, yeah. So now next paragraph. So that is how we need to, the levels we need to understand. Yeah, next para it says Gaura Premamaya Tanu, right? Pandita Gadadhara. So we are talking about Gadadhar Pandit. So what is the specialty of Gadadhar Pandit? Gaura's love embodiment is shown by Gadadhar Pandit. So who is Gadadhar Pandit?
Is that here Radharani?
Radharani and yeah, Radharani, yes, but along with that a little tinge. Who is that? Okay, Lalita Sakhi, right? So little bit of tinge of Lalita Sakhi or Lalita of Lalita is there, right? So together it is they are Radharani and Lalita together are Gadadhar Pandit, right? So that is
Mataji, you're muted.
Krishna's love, Krishna Prem, right? Gaura's love embodiment is Gadadhar Pandit, right? Nothing but Krishna's love embodiment is Gadadhar Pandit. Srinivas Pandit and Haridas Thakur are ocean of mercy, right? Dayara Sagar. Sagar means ocean, right? So Srinivas and Haridas Thakur, they are all ocean. That is proved in all their pastimes. Even today, we meditate upon Haridas Thakur's pastime, where he was gotten beaten up in 22 marketplaces, and he said, "Oh Krishna, forgive all of them. It's okay. They hit me. It's out of their what do you call ignorance. So you please, if you will, then you can definitely vanish their ignorance and give them divya jnana and make them devotees. So please forgive them." That's what Haridas Thakur said, right? So that is how merciful Haridas Thakur is. So we even today we meditate upon these pastimes, right? As though it happens every day. We take pleasure in meditating upon Haridas Thakur's pastimes is because of the quality that he has, ocean of mercy, right? So who wants to try this paragraph? Yeah, Shama Priya Mataji, you wanted to try? Yes.
घोर प्रेम माया तनु पंडिता गदाधरा श्रीनिवास हरि दसा दोयरा सगारा श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु दोया करो मोरे तुम बिना के दोयलो जगत संसारे
Hari Bol. Very nice. Thank you, Mataji. So singing with the feel only will help, right? Singing with the bhav. Meditating upon the meaning when you sing, that is really going to help, right? So it's going to literally become a prayer if you know the meaning and you sing, right? So that's why we are doing the translation. And they are all easy translations, right? They are No, it's Ocean of Mercy. So, who is Ocean of Mercy? Srinivas and Haridas Thakur. So, meditate upon the meaning when you sing along, side by side. In the mind, you should keep thinking on the meaning, and on the tongue, you should keep singing the lyrics, right? So, that's how we sing. Then it actually becomes a bhajan, right? Yeah. So, here, next para talks about the associates of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? Like Swarup Damodar and the six Goswamis of Vrindavan, right? And Loknath Prabhu. So everybody, all of them are associates of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So we talk about them. So this is Narottam Das Thakur writing this song, right? So his Diksha Guru is Loknath. Right, so that's why he's mentioning Loknath's name here, and his friends are Srinivas, right? So that's why he talks about even Srinivas Acharya here, right? And Jiva Goswami, Siksha Guru of Narottam Das Thakur, right? So to actually take instructions from Sanatan Goswami and Rupa Goswami, but by then they had left the world, they had gone back to Goloka, right? So Narottam Das Thakur had to take instructions from Jiva Goswami. So he became his Siksha Guru and Loknath became his Diksha Guru. So Narottam Das Thakur is thanking all of them for helping him sustain his Krishna consciousness and grow in Krishna consciousness. All right. So what does this para mean? Right? Haha Swarup Sanatana. So, O Swarup Damodar, personal secretary of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, right? And six Goswamis, O Sri Rupa Goswami, Sanatan Goswami, Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Gopal Bhatt Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, O Loknath Goswami, my beloved spiritual master. Narottam Das Thakur also prays for your mercy. So, this whole song theme is begging for mercy from the Lord, right? So, mercy will flow only through Vaishnavas. Yeah, Krishna might give mercy, but if Vaishnavas are not pleased, yasya prasadat bhagavat prasado nagati gotopi, right? So only when we please our Vaishnavas, then Krishna's mercy will instantly flow to us. Otherwise, it will not. Right? If there is a break in the pipe, right? If the pipeline is broken, then what happens? The water will not flow from the tank to your sink tap. It will not flow. Right? Why? Because there is a leakage in the pipe. Same thing will happen if there is a break in the. If you are not able to satisfy a particular Vaishnava, then Krishna's mercy, which is flowing through the pipeline of Vaishnavas, it will not reach you. It will leak. It will leak and it will go to other places. It will not reach us. Right? So this is how we need to understand how important Vaishnavas are. Otherwise, why will Narottam Das Thakur pray to Vaishnavas? He would have just winded up here. Advaita Gosai. That's it. That's it. No, only the lords he would pray and then he would have stopped. No, the very important is to pray to the Vaishnavas. Right? So who wants to sing this? Sixth para. Who wants to try? Deepti Mataji, you wanna try?
Okay, Madhavi.
Yeah.
Yeah, after you, Madhavi.
Okay.
I can't hear you, Madhavi.
Hare Krishna, now can you hear me?
Yes, Madhavi.
Okay. Okay, we'll start. Aha Swarup Sanatana
Swarup Sanatana
Rupa Raghunatha
Rupanatha
Bhatta Juga Shri Jiva
Bhat Juga Sri Jivaha
Prabhu Lokanatha
Prabhu Lokanath
Haha Swarup Sanatana Rupa Raghunatha
Swarup Sanatana Rupa Raghunatha
Bhatta Juga Shri प्रभु लोकनाथा।
घट जुगा श्री जीवा प्रभु लोकनाथा।
Hari bol. Thank you so much, Mataji. Yeah. Now last para. So last para, what does this mean? Daya Acharya Prabhu Srinivasa, right? So Srinivasa Acharya, O successor to the six Goswamis, please be merciful to me. So Narottam Das Thakur's classmate was Srinivasa Acharya and Shyamananda Pandit, right? So these two, they are always three together, right? They were called a trio of book distribution also, right? Trio, Srinivasa Acharya, Narottam Das Thakur and Shyamananda Pandit. So here Narottam Das Thakur especially mentioning Srinivasa Acharya and asking him mercy from the Lord, right? I mean, mercy, right? So, O Srinivasa Acharya, successor to the six Goswamis, please be merciful to me. Ramachandra Sangamage Narottam Das. So, Narottam Das is, always desires the company of Ramachandra Chakravarti. Who is this Ramachandra Chakravarti? Why is Narottam Das Thakur desiring company of Ramachandra Chakravarti? Yeah, anybody? Who is Ramachandra here? You can put your answer in the chat also. Any guesses? Anybody? Why will Narottam Das Thakur desire a company of someone? Like, who is it? Ramachandra is the Lord here, right? He's asking for the constant companionship of the Lord. That is uh, almost, like what Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, Manmana bhava mad bhakto. Always think of me, right? Or just become my devotee, right? That is what Narottam Das Thakur is praying for. Ramachandra Chakravarti is the Lord Ram, right? He was a Chakravarti when he came to this world and when he ruled, right? So, Narottam Das Thakur is praying to this form of the Lord, Ramachandra, form of Krishna, and he's asking for the constant desire or the company of the Lord so that he can always be in the spiritual platform, right? So, only with the mercy of the Vaishnavas. That's why he's begging the mercy of Srinivasa Acharya and successor. He is the successor to the six Goswamis. And then he is like, be merciful to me so that I can always be in the company of the Lord. So, that is the always in a bhajan. The last line always talks about what they want directly from the Lord, right? So here Narottam Das Thakur is asking for the constant companionship of the Lord. Can you imagine, right? So with the same enthusiasm, we are going to sing. Who wants to sing this last para? Pravina Mataji, wanna sing?
Mataji, I'll repeat.
Yeah. दया करो श्री आचार्य
दया करो श्री आचार्य
प्रभु श्रीनिवासा
प्रभु श्रीनिवास। वासना माताजी।
So,
प्रभु श्रीनिवास
रामचंद्र संगा मागे
रामचंद्र संग मांगे
नरोत्तम दासा
नरोत्तम दासा
करो श्री आचार्य
दया करो श्री आचार्य
प्रभु श्रीनिवासा
प्रभु श्रीनिवासा
रामचंद्र संगा मागे
रामचंद्र संकर मांगे
नरोत्तम दासा
नरोत्तम दासा।
हरि बोल। थैंक यू माता जी।
थैंक यू
So,
माता जी।
so in temples, we sing these 7 paras and then we sing again the first para, Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Daya Karo More, the first para, and then we get into Kirtan, right? So this is the conclusion. After Kirtan, what we do? We sing Guru Puja. We will learn in the next class. Okay, or Guru Vandana it's called. We will sing that, we will learn, and then that is also written by Narottam Das Thakur. And then we will learn our Diksha Guru Puja song, right? Those who are initiated, those who want to get initiated, those who are sheltered, all of us, right? We need to sing that song every day. 2 songs very compulsorily we have to sing. If you don't have time and all that is one is Samsara Dava, that is Guru Ashtakam, which we sing during Mangalarti, and second is the Diksha Guru Puja song that we are going to learn, right? That these 2 songs are very, very important. If not that, then Guru Puja, Guru Vandana song, or at least you have to sing. So these 2 songs are very important. Every day we have to sing, right? And then chanting 16 rounds. These, if you do these 2 things, then your consciousness will not be disturbed much, even if you're not having the time to do proper devotion service, proper sadhana, right? So chanting 16 rounds, following the 4 regulative principles, definitely, and then right, Guru Ashtakam, that's Samsara Dava, very important. And then if you have time, you can also do other things like reading and everything else. So very important. Okay, any questions, anybody? Hare Krishna, any questions? Anything you want to add about Panchatattvas? Nothing? Okay, we'll end. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू माता जी। हरे
यश्च
कृष्णा।
सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनंतकोटि वैष्णववृंद की जय। श्री थैंक यू ऑल। हरे कृष्णा।